Hi there, you're in the lab with your mate JJ. Today is electronics project today. Today we're going to be doing an electronics project. My silly job title for today is Solder Soldier. Today I'm the Solder Soldier. And the electronics project that we're going to be doing is a very simple one. We're doing our favorite thing, which is making a cable. So we'll be taking some hook clips and attaching them to a DC barrel female cable so that I can run power in and send it out the hook clips. I'm debugging a problem here. It's another electronics video that I'm making. This one's the JCar Mini project number 3. I can't get the MOSFET to work. I don't know why it's not working. I want to experiment with putting different voltages in on it, because 8 volts doesn't seem to trigger it, which is sort of surprising. I put up to 10 volts, and that didn't seem to trigger it either. So I've checked a number of them. It seems to be not broken. Anyway, let's not worry about that. What we're doing today is we're making a power cable with some DC barrel female out to some hook clips. So let's pop over to the bench and get that done. All right, well, here we are on the bench. As you can see, it looks like a mine's hit it. What are we going to do? So I've got this thing here. You can see it's DC barrel female, and we've just got to attach it to these things, and I'm not entirely sure how that will go. That looks pretty easy, doesn't it? So let's take off some insulation. We're gonna want to, I don't think we're gonna want to put a shrink wrap over it, a heat shrink. No, I don't think we want heat shrink. So we're just gonna send it through the hole like that. Easy peasy. All right, well, I've got this all soldered in. So what we'll do is we'll take our power here and we'll run it into this thing. And it should be sending in 12 volts. 12 volts is a lot. I might even just put it down to 5 volts. And then let's just hook clip it up to the probe. Oh, no, it doesn't want to do that. It's too big. All right, what are we gonna do? We'll just touch it on. That'll do. Let's see if we can do that. So I'm just going to turn it on. So it should be sending through 5 volts, and we'll put this one on this side, and we'll put this one on this side, and it says 5 volts as we expected. Very good. All right, well, I'll throw you over the farewell cam. We'll wrap up. And that's a wrap. So we got our cable made and tested. What have I done with it? It's around here somewhere. Why is it not? Here it is, plugged in still. So yes, this is it. This is the DC barrel female through to the solder plugs. Obviously, I run a DC barrel male out of the power, so I can plug that in. And we're in business. So I'm going to be using this cable to test my JCar Mini project. So I'm going to be doing that now. But that's the end of this video. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks very much for watching. And please remember to hit like and subscribe.